Established in 1986, Park Lawn's Supported Employment Program has worked to foster mutually beneficial relationships with businesses in the community. The Supported Employment Program matches individuals with developmental disabilities with employment opportunities in the community. The business gains a hard-working employee who will perform a needed task, and individuals with developmental disabilities increase their skills, make an impact in the community, and feel a sense of pride and accomplishment on a job well done.
What makes this program so important for peoples with intellectual and developmental disabilities is it affords them the opportunity to be in the community, to have a job. It also is a benefit to any employer. The employer actually, I feel, benefits much more because he is given somebody who feels it's a privilege to have a job, an employee who is enthusiastic about the work, whose attendance is unbelievable, and who is always eager to please. It's one of the things that we're very, very proud of with Park Lawn is the longevity that our folks have out in the community. We've worked at jobs for as many as 15 to 20 years, and then we experience our folks actually retiring.
Well, Madiwa is our employee from Park Lawn at Penny Lane, and she actually helps keep all the toys clean and goes from classroom to classroom, making sure everything's clean and sanitized, and she does that all day. And then 2 days a week, she goes into the kitchen just to break up her day, and she goes in and works in the kitchen. She'll do dishes, get the counters clean, she'll make sure everything's sanitized in the kitchen and things like that. And she's great, she's a great worker. We benefit from the Park Lawn program, the work program with these young adults in a way that just gives us joy, to be honest with you. It gives us joy to have them working for us and that they have a job and we feel good about that and that they love their job. And also we benefit through just having all the toys cleaned and sanitized, and she does just an excellent job of doing that. And she's a great help to the cooks in the kitchen too, because they need that break once in a while, so to have them come in 2 days a week, it's just awesome. It's just, it's great having her there. She puts a smile on every single person's face.
I first heard of Park Lawn's Supportive Employment Program when I was looking for options for my brother. I have a brother with a mental disability, and I was thinking maybe this might be something he might need. As it turns out, my brother found employment independently, but I always in my heart wanted to give back in that way because someone helped my brother, I'd like to help someone else. At my facility, Carol from Park Lawn does a variety of maintenance projects. We have her cleaning, she dusts, she mops, she makes sure all my eyeglass frame boards are pristine, she cleans the back area, the front area, and she even picks up outside with supervision. People come into my office and remark, "My God, it's a brand new office." And I'm like, "No, it's 6 years. We just have Carol on task, and she gets every corner, she turns chairs over, dusts underneath." She's an incredibly hard worker and an essential part of my team.
Park Lawn's participants perform everything that any other employee in that same job description would do. So they're walking around, picking up toys, resetting exhibits. So, as an exhibit needs reset, they take care of that. It's sometimes some sweeping, and it's guest interaction. It's, talking with the kids, talking with the adults, and that's one of the neat things that we've seen with Missy. I think we've benefited by just being part of the program. It's interesting to see visitors come in and, say to me, "Oh, it's so nice you let that girl volunteer here." And I go, "What girl?" And they will point to Missy, and I'm like, "Oh, she doesn't volunteer. She's an employee. She works here." And it kind of floors people that, that Missy is an employee of the museum.
For more information and to discuss how Park Lawn can provide your business with quality employees, please contact Karen Prisco, Program Manager, at 708-425-7377, extension 229, or email Karen at kprisco@parklawn.com.